Hello, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I detangle my hair after wearing it short for some time. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So if there are more talking, let's get into it. What I'm going to be using today are water, shea butter, and of course my pair of hair shears. Follow me on Instagram, you know that this is not my first time wearing my hair shrunken. However, this is my first time getting my hair to shrink up by wetting my whole head. Normally when I do my hair shrunken, I do it on old hair, like old twist out or braid out or something, old hair that is kind of somewhat stretched. Then I just take my spray bottle, spritz all over my hair and pat it, then it shrinks. But this time, my last video, you know how I did it this time, I washed my hair and just allow it to shrink like soaking wet and everything. So this is my first time doing that, but this is not my first time shrinking my hair. So this detangling, long story short, this detangling technique is not new to me. I do this all the time. So let me give you guys a look of what my hair looks like it's shrunken. It looks like it's all tangled up and matted. So this is what we're working with. So I'm just going to gently separate so now because my hair is short, I cannot separate it, like put this in a bun or anything, so I'll just leave it the way it is. Then the part that I brought out, like this is how big the section I'm going to be tangling is. Then I'll take my spray bottle and just wet it a little bit. And then I just gently try to separate and just pull the hair to elongate it. Then I take some shea butter and apply on the hair, focusing on the ends. Then I further divide it and just continue to pull and separate. I did not use a comb for this because if you allow your hair to shrink up like really bad and then you just want to detangle and you go straight to using a comb, you're going to break your hair. Like there's no magic there, you're just going to break your hair. So it's best to, if you know that you're not going to have the patience to detangle your finger, then you should probably not wear your hair shrunken. And this is why I can get away with wearing my hair in TWA even though my hair is obviously not a TWA. I'm usually very gentle when I detangle and I take my time to detangle my hair after wearing it shrunken. So I'm just going to continue to do that, like take out some hair from the big section that I took out previously. Then I'm just going to detangle. If I feel like any part needs some more shea butter, I'll go ahead and apply and just detangle. shy away from wearing their hair shrunken because they feel like it's caused a lot of tangles and knots. But the thing is, when your hair shrinks up, it doesn't automatically mean that it's tangled. So if you just take your comb and dig into your hair and pull out, you're going to break it, and that is when you're going to tangle it up. But most times, like if you just let your hair shrink and you're not disturbing and tugging and pulling anything, your hair is just coiled, it's not tangled. But it's when you start to detangle wrongly that it will end up being all tangled up, and then that's when you experience lots of breakage and hair loss. Now I did not encounter any like tangle that I could not undo for this particular section, but if I do, I'll just take my pearl scissors and cut that out, like. But I did not experience anything like that here, so no need to use my scissors. So when I'm done detangling that section, I'll just pull it and braid it up. So I'm doing this to like just go through it one last time to remove any shed hairs that I may have missed while detangling. So when I run my finger through it one last time, I feel like there's no shed hair, I'll just go ahead and braid it up. So this is an example of a tangle that I cannot undo. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm trying to detangle it, like to just untie the knot here, but I cannot do that. So I'm just going to take my pearl scissors and just cut the knot out. You guys obviously cannot see this. So just two strands tied together. I'm just going to cut just the knot out. Then I'll continue detangling. I'm done detangling, and this is how much hair I lost. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.